Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all to the online classes of Divinity Public School and College Sahiwal. My name is Abdur Rahman. I am your social studies teacher and today we are going to study the lesson of class 6. First of all, I want to share the objectives of today's lesson, and the objectives are: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to define the solar system and its planetary arrangement, showing position of the Earth in our solar system, determine the position of the planets from the Sun, and the last objective is to explain the distances of the planets from the Sun. First of all, I want to ask some questions from you as previous knowledge, and the first question is, on which planet do we live? It is a very easy question and all of us know the name of the planet is Earth. The second question is, how many planets are there in our solar system? And the answer is 8. Question number 3. Which is the largest planet of our solar system? It is a little bit confusing or difficult question, and the answer of this question is Jupiter. And the last question is, which is the smallest planet in our solar system? And the answer is Mercury. So we are going to study geography, unit number 1, the solar system. First of all, we should know that why do we call it solar system? There are many planetary systems like ours in the universe, with planets orbiting a host star. A host star like Sun. Our planetary system is named the solar system because our Sun is named Sol after the Latin word for the sun, Solis. And anything related to the Sun we call solar. And how can we define a solar system in proper wording? That is, according to astronomers, the experts of astronomy, माहरे फल्कियात कहते हैं इनको, the Sun is one of the billions of stars of the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy कहकशां को कहते हैं. 8 planets revolve around the Sun. This is called solar system. Now come to the text of the lesson, and that is solar system and Earth. The solar system is composed of 8 planets which revolve the Sun in their respective orbits. This system originated about 5 billion years ago when a cloud of gases and dust began to spin. In this paragraph or in these lines there are 2 or 3 difficult words and I have explained them in brackets. First word is composed of, mean made up, and second word is revolve, turn around. Third word is respective, mean relevant. Fourth word originated, means started, and the last word is spin, to move round and round. In these lines we come to know that our solar system is composed of 8 planets and they are revolving around the Sun in their relevant or respective orbits. This system originated about 5 billion years ago when a cloud of gases and dust began to spin. In the picture given below, we can see the whole situation which we have read in these lines, that a cloud of gases and dust is moving round and round. This gaseous material began to cool with the passage of time and appeared in the shape of solar system. In the center originated the Sun, while the circulating gases and dust became planets which began to revolve around us. Again we have 3 or 4 words: gaseous, gassy, made of gases, appeared, came into view, and revolve, mean rotate. In these lines we come to know gases began to cool with the passage of time and it came into view in the shape of solar system, or we can see the Sun in the center and the remaining parts are moving around the Sun. The information about the Sun. Sun is a bright star. It is comprised of hydrogen and helium gases. The temperature of its outer surface is about 6000 centigrade. It is a source of temperature and light for all the planets of the solar system. Mean, all the planets which are included in our solar system, they get heat and light from the Sun. There are some important pieces of information. Sun is the star of our solar system and it can hold more than 1 million Earth, and it is made of hot boiling gases. It supports our life on Earth. It is a source of energy and its temperature is about 6000 centigrade. Planets. The planets which revolve around the Sun in their respective orbits get light and temperature from the Sun. Our Earth is one of these planets which revolve around the Sun in 365 days, and in the given picture you can see that at number 3 our planet Earth exists and it moves in its orbit and it completes its revolution, mean a complete circle around the Sun in 365 days and 6 hours. Now we shall get information about each planet. The first planet is Mercury. It is the closest to the Sun, smallest planet in our solar system. Terrestrial planet, mean having solid surface. It is made of rock, lots of craters like the Moon. Craters mean a hole in the surface of some area. It is hot during day and cold at night, and it has no atmosphere. Its 1 year is equal to 88 Earth days because it travels very fast, and its 1 day is equal to 1407 Earth hours, mean 58 Earth days, and its temperature is from minus 173 to 427 degrees Celsius, and it has no moon. The second planet is Venus. It is second planet from the Sun, similar size to Earth. Terrestrial planet mean having solid surface. It is made of rock, rotates in opposite direction, means spins backwards. It is hot and deadly, mean there is no possibility of life on it because there are lots of volcanoes. Its 1 year is equal to 225, mean 225 Earth days, and 1 day is equal to 5832 Earth hours because it spins backwards. Its temperature is 462 degrees Celsius and it is very hot, and it has also no moon. The third planet is Earth. It is our home. It's the 5th largest planet. Terrestrial planet mean having solid surface made of rock, and this planet supports life with air, water, land, consists of oceans, continents, atmosphere. Its 1 year is equal to 365 Earth days and 1 day is equal to 24 Earth hours. Its temperature may be from minus 87 to 57 degrees Celsius, and it has 1 moon. And next planet is Mars. It is also called red planet. It is 4th planet from the Sun, smaller than Earth. Terrestrial planet having solid surface, mean it is also made of rock. Mars is rocky, dusty and dry, and we can find red iron in the soil. Mars has polar ice caps like Earth. Its 1 year is equal to 687 Earth days and 1 day is equal to 24 Earth hours and 37 minutes. And its temperature could be from minus 214 to minus 5 degrees Celsius. And it has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Our 5th planet, Jupiter, the giant, because it is the biggest planet of our solar system, or largest planet of our solar system. It is a gas planet, mean it is made of gases, windy clouds of ammonia and water. It has red spot, giant spinning storm. Its 1 year is equal to 4331 Earth days, that is equal to 12 Earth years. And 1 day is equal to 9 Earth hours and 56 minutes. And its temperature could be minus 148 degrees Celsius, and it is very cold. Next planet is Saturn. This is also called a ringed planet. Second largest planet but very light. Gas planet similar to Jupiter. 7 flat rings made of ice, rocks and dust. Its 1 year is equal to 10,759 Earth days, that is equal to 29 Earth years, and 1 day is equal to 10 Earth hours and 39 minutes. And its temperature could be from minus 178 degrees Celsius, and it is also very cold planet. The next planet is Uranus. It is 7th planet from the Sun, 3rd largest planet. It is also made of gas, ice similar to Neptune. Poles turn to the Sun, spins on different axes. Very cold and windy, or you can say it is the coldest planet. Its 1 year is equal to 30,687 Earth days, mean 84 Earth years, and its 1 day is equal to 17 Earth hours and 15 minutes. Its temperature could be minus 216 degrees Celsius, and it shows that it is also very cold planet, and it has 27 moons, and among them the largest are Oberon and Titania, and the last planet is Neptune, 8th planet from the Sun, 4th largest planet, and it can fit about 60 Earths inside. Mean it is also a very large planet. It is also made of gas, windiest planet in the solar system, and its 1 year is equal to 60,190 Earth days, that is equal to 165 Earth years, and its 1 day is equal to 16 Earth hours and 7 minutes, and its temperature could be minus 214 degrees Celsius. And the last planet that was excluded or eliminated from the solar system, that was called Pluto. It was discovered in 1930, and its area or surface is less than the country of Russia. It is 5.9 billion kilometers away from the Sun. 1 day on Pluto is equal to 153 Earth hours, and 1 Plutonian year is equal to 248 Earth years, and it was classified as a dwarf planet since 2006, meaning it was eliminated from the solar system in 2006. Some other information: a phrase to remember the names of all the planets which are included in our solar system, and that phrase is, "My very excellent mother just served us noodles." Every first letter of these words forms the name of each planet. My, M for Mercury, very, V for Venus, excellent, E for Earth, mother, M for Mars, just, J for Jupiter, served, S for Saturn, us, U for Uranus, noodles, N for Neptune. Here is some more information in the form of table. In the first column you can see the names of planets, and second column distance from the Sun in million kilometers, and in the third column you can see period of revolution around the Sun. Mercury, and its distance is 58 million kilometers from the Sun, and it completes its one round in 88 days. Venus, its distance is 108 million kilometers, and it completes its one round around the Sun in 225 days. Earth, it is 150 million kilometers away from the Sun, and it completes its one circle in 365.25 days, mean 1 year. Mars, its distance is 228 million kilometers, and it completes its one circle around the Sun in 2 earthly years. Jupiter, it is 778 million kilometers away from the Sun, and it completes its one circle around the Sun in 12 earthly years. Saturn, it is 1430 million kilometers away from the Sun, and it completes its one circle around the Sun in 30 earthly years. Uranus, it is 2870 million kilometers away from the Sun, and it completes its one circle around the Sun in 84 years. And the last, Neptune, it is 4500 million kilometers away from the Sun, and it completes its one circle in 165 earthly years. Another interesting information, that is about leap year. We can see that in a common year we have 365 days, and after 3 years, during the 4th year, we add 1 day in the total number of the days of the year, and they become 366 days. And the year when we have 366 days in a year, that year is called leap year. And next I have an activity for you in the form of recapitulation. Here I have formed some MCQs to check your understanding. The first statement is, our solar system originated about blank years ago, and the options are 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion or 5 billion years, and the right answer is 5 billion years. The second statement is, how many planets are there in our solar system, and the options are 6, 7, 8, 9, and the right answer is 8. Statement number 3. The Sun is comprised of blank and helium gases. The options are carbon dioxide, hydrogen, oxygen or nitrogen. And the right answer is hydrogen and helium. Statement number 4. The temperature of the outer surface of the sun is about. The given options are 3000 centigrade, 4000 centigrade, 5000 centigrade or 6000 centigrade. And the right answer is 6000 centigrade. And the last statement is a leap year has blank days. And the options are 364 days, 365 days, 366 days or 367 days. And the right answer is 366 days. Here is your home task, and I have some instructions for you about the home task, and that is read the pages number 3 and 4 of the unit number 1 of geography book carefully. Draw margin lines, write with blue ink and mention date and day on your notebooks. Write answers of the given short questions on your notebooks. Question number 1. Define solar system. Question number 2. When and how did our solar system originate? Question number 3. How many planets are there in our solar system? Question number 4. What is the approximate temperature of the outer surface of the sun? Question number 5. When was Pluto eliminated from our solar system? Question number 6. And that is last question. Define leap year. That is all from my side. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. Thank you.